Birds, birds. 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 Birds, birds. Bird. Robin, greenfinch, blue tit, goldfinch, song thrush, meadow pipit, meadow pipit, meadow pipit, meadow pipit, meadow pipit. What bird's that? Meadow pipit. You sure? No. Sooner or later, Nate, we've got to have a conversation about these birds. Oh, meadow pivot. Maybe. Looking around, feeding. Who is feeding you? Birds. As I go onward, out to sea, there will never be a bird as big as me. As I go onward, out to sea, there will never be a bird as big as me. There will never be a bird as big as me. But birds are hard to identify sometimes. I was sat with my estranged wife and at a table, and we were looking out the window at the birds, and they're all eating. because we've fed them, and blue tits, goldfinches, blackbirds, robins, greenfinches. There's no greenfinches, but there's the others. And then this bird came, and we didn't know what it was. We were like, I don't know what this bird is. And then we got two photos of possible birds, the song thrush and the meadow pipit. And I'm looking at the song thrush, and then I'm looking at the meadow pipit, and they're similar birds. I mean, I'm looking at them now. I've got two photos of them on the screen. And we just couldn't decide, so we're looking at the bird, and then the drawing of the bird, possible bird 1, and then the drawing of possible bird 2, and we couldn't work it out. So I said, I've had enough. So I go outside and I say, excuse me, what kind of bird are you? And then all of the birds, they just flew away, which is I don't know, it's difficult creatures, birds. You can identify some birds by the colour of their bills, but I'm not a postman, so it's not possible for me. Birds.